Stephen, it's been really exciting to see the big uptake in MarkLogic semantics lately.
It has. The idea that you can use triples and documents together is something that really resonates with a lot of people.
Right, so triples are a data model where you just reduce everything to three basic things: a subject, a predicate, and an object. And you take these triples together and make graphs, which can be more complicated. They can model either facts or relationships really well. But of course we have documents too.
Right, so triples are great for some things, like you said, atomic facts, relationships. But if you have something like a customer record that tells us everything we know about a customer, that's much more natural to model as a document.
In old school triple stores, you had to put everything into triples first though. And with documents and triples together in a database, you could choose what things you want to store in documents and what things you want to put into triples.
Right. And then where it gets really interesting is the interaction between those triples and those documents.
That's not the only interesting thing. In triples, you've got a whole range of standard vocabularies you can work with. You have inference, and then it integrates with MarkLogic search across those documents.
Right. I still think the interaction is the most interesting thing.
You think so?
I do.
I think in MarkLogic 9 it's going to get even better though, because then you won't actually have to generate triples from your documents. You just have to point to particular places in your documents that you want to see as triples, and it becomes a lens.
Right. So we've got this whole notion of a lens over a document. You model your information as the document, and then you create a lens by saying, I want this, this, and this to be a triple. And the indexer indexes that. There's no manipulation, there's no transformation, copies, no worries about keeping things in sync. I just have my information in the document, and I see it through a triples lens. I think that's kind of magic.
It is. So whereas previously you would just have documents and maybe triples floating around together, now we can put documents in, see them through a triples model, and integrate them with other triples without even thought.
Awesome.
It is good.